Come on. Shoulda had them apple bottom jean boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shoulda got low.
This crazy on my cinema door. Had $1 million vibe in the body to go. Them birthday cakes, they stole the show. So sexual, she was flexible, professional, drinking Xano. Hold up, wait a minute, do I see what I think I will? Did I think I seen sure they get low? Ain't the same when it's up that close. Make it rain, I'm making it snow. Rip the pole, I got the bang roll. I'ma say that I prefer them no clothes. I'm into that, I love women exposed. She threw it back at me, I gave her move. Cash ain't a problem, I know where it goes. She had them apple bottom jeans. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Shawty, what I gotta do to get you home? My jeans full of guap and they ready for shows. Cadillacs, Maybachs for the sexy grown. Patron on the rocks that'll make you moan. One stack, come on. Two stacks, come on. Three stacks, come on. Now that's $3 grand. What you think I'm playing? Baby girl, I'm the man. I ain't in a rubber band. That's what I told her. Her legs on my shoulder. I knew it was over. That Haiti and Cola got me like a soldier. She ready for Rover. I couldn't control her. So lucky on me, I was just like a clover. Shorty was hot like a toaster. Sorry, but I had to fold her. Like a pornography poster. She showed her. Apple bottom jeans, boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Them baggy sweatpants and the Reeboks with the straps. Turned around and gave that big booty a slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, shawty got low. Yeah, she was worth the money. Mama took my cash, and I ain't want it back. The way she bit that ass, got her them paper stacks. Tattoo above a crack, I had to handle that. I was on it.
Brad, pakinggan mo to!
Hello? Bobing, kumusta ka na? Ganun ba? Oh, sige. Dali lang. Ingat ka dyan tsaka uwi ka na. Namimiss ka na namin dito eh. Oh, okay.
Brad, uwi ka na. Ninang ka ng, anak ng aswang, yung Undin. Tiyanak. Pasalubong namin, Brad. Miss ka na namin, uwi ka na. Yung Undin, kilala mo na yung kung sino yun. background, Brad.
Hello, Bobing. Ikaw ba kain na? Huwag ikaw punta gabi dito. Kasi wala ilaw, langit. Ikaw kain madami. Pagdating dito, taba ulit. Bye-bye. Miss ka na namin. Uwi maaga ha. Wala ilaw, langit.
Bobing, kamusta, Brad? Uwi ka na. Walang biba ulol sa States. Tayin ka namin, Pagdating mo, bar tayo ulit. Sige, ingat. Bye-bye. Hello, Bobing. Where na you? Dito na me. Bobing, musta ka na dyan? Yung pasalubong, kalimutan mo na yun. Biro lang yun. Tsaka, yun. Sige, ingat ka. Uwi ka na. Kailan ka ba uwi? Bukas? Sige. Hintay kita. Saan ba? Sige. Nagmamadali na tong computer eh. Sige. Bye-bye. Miss you.
Hello? Hello, Mike Tess? Hello? Ay, Brad. Kumusta na? Taba mo sa mga picture, Tibo ka na pala. Kita ko yung girlfriend mo sa Friendster mo. Brad, miss na kita. Ingat ka dyan, Love you. Take care so much. Shosho. Nakita ko nga pala si Jomar may ka-back ride. Bye-bye.
Bobing, basta na. Kailan ka uwi? Naiyakin. Secret natin Sabihin Okay. Thank you.
Thank you pa.
Bobing! Bobing, ba't tomboy ka na? Bobing, ba't ginagawa mo si Hippies? Happy birthday nakawalkie-talkie pa ako Sige, bye-bye, ingat.
Hello, Bing. Wow, social via phone patch pa to Bubang, musta ka na? Uwi ka na, miss ka na daw ni Jedrick tsaka ni Baltasar Mag-Harlem daw sila para sa'yo. Hey, uwi ka na, ingat ka dyan. Love you, Bing. Miss ka na namin. Nagmamahal, tuta. Bye-bye.
Hello, Bing. Gusto ka na? Love you, miss you, bye. Yun na.
Viva Ulul and Viva Goya would like to thank the following. Primero de Mayo Boys, Balik-Balik Jeep, Topiga Toda for their transportation. For their food, they would like to thank Tavera Bakery, Chef Monet for their Tsupa Dupa dinner. And the following websites, LimeWire for their sounds, Friendster and MySpace for the pictures. Special thanks to Coca-Cola, Buksan Mo, Marlboro Cigarette, the #1 cancer stick, Cheese Girls, Pringles, once you pop, you can't stop, iPad Nano, PLDT, Meralco, may liwanag ang buhay, Globe Telecom, abot mo ang mundo, Ate Lori's Computer and Webcam, with the special participation of Luigi Gabriel San Juan.